Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize themes and layout in Google Slides. So customizing themes and layouts in your Google Slides allow you to create visually appealing and personalized presentations. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. First, to customize the themes, because themes control the overlay design includes color, fonts, and background style. So if you want to apply one, you can just open your presentations and then click on the slide at the top. And now you can just tap on these change theme options. And here a sidebar with the themes will appear. You can click on a theme to apply it to your slides. For example, I'm going to go with this one, the beach day. You can see it will change my whole themes of the slides. So if you want to customize the themes color and also the font, you can just close this first, click on slide again, and tap on edit theme. So in here in the theme editor, you can select colors or fonts to modify the theme's elements. You can also adjust color for text, background, and accents. You can see at the top there will be this background and color options. You can change the color on text and background and also the accent. And if you want to customize the slide layouts, let's close this first. So layouts define the arrangement of content of the slide like this. And if you want to change it, you can just go to the slide that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to go with edit this one. You can go to the slide at the top and choose to apply layout options, and now you can change the layout or choose a predefined layout that you want, like this for example. And if you want to edit layouts in theme editor, you can go to slide and tap on edit theme, and in here you can select the layout in the sidebar, sorry, this one, and you can customize it, such as move the placeholder, add logos, or change the text style. And edit here will apply to all slides using the layout. And if you want to add a custom background, you can just right click on a slide and then choose to change background. Here you can choose to add a solid color, or you can also use image for your background in here. Just choose one, and after that you can just tap on done. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.